What's up YouTube, it's Sufan from TechCycle. IOTransfer, a Windows application ranked at number 1 for keyword iPhone manager. In this video, we are going to check why it is ranked at the position, that is at number 1, and is it capable of that position. By the way guys, this video is partially sponsored by this IOTransfer because they give me the license code to test this application. We will look at some of the unique feature offered by this IOTransfer, some of the not so unique feature offered by this application, that is that feature will be available on one or two other applications from the same category, and limitation of this application, demerit of this application, and at last we will be looking at the person or the people for whom this IOTransfer is developed. Also, I have compared this IOTransfer with iPhone box, iTools for Windows, Sync iOS. All these applications are from the same category. I didn't include iMaging because it is from another category. And the unique feature of this IOTransfer is that one of the unique feature and one of the feature that I think made this IOTransfer at the top of the rank list is the simplicity in backing up data like photo, video, contact, and music. Just press a button and all this data will be copied to your PC. Just connect your device, fire up this IOTransfer, and just click the transfer to PC button. Everything will be copied. That's very simple. The second unique feature of this IOTransfer is clean option. Finally, iOS got a cleaner, but don't go like wow, cleaner. Don't go like that, because this IOTransfer cleaner is only going to clean the crash log and cache. If they can add the option to clean application data, it will be great. That will come to the limitation of this application. And the third unique feature of this IOTransfer is the option to transfer all the data through wirelessly. By using this option, you can transfer photo, videos, and music between your iOS device and PC without the need of a bad quality lightning cable from Apple. Bad. Now for the not so unique feature of this IOTransfer. First one is the video downloader, and it's the only not so unique feature because this video download option is available in Sync iOS application. About this video downloader, you can download videos from the streaming site like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Just copy the link and paste to this video downloader and convert to a compatible codec so that you can play this video on your iOS device. Now for the limitation of this IOTransfer. First limitation is from the clean option. They could have enabled cleaning the application data, but they only enable cleaning crash logs and cache file. That is some very big limitation for me. Second limitation of this IOTransfer is that there is no inbuilt file manager. There is option to manage all those data, but there is no inbuilt file manager. That's a huge limitation for me. And the third limitation, it's not that much of a big deal, but the limitation is that we cannot access the iTunes backup folder. But if you are using this IOTransfer to backup file, you don't really going to use this iTunes backup. So, and now for the demerit of this IOTransfer. Only demerit I found about this IOTransfer is the price. It is little bit on pricier side. At the time of making this video, there is an offer that you can get this IOTransfer for $29. For that $29, you are going to get 3 licenses. At that price point, it is a bang for the buck, so you can go and purchase that blindly. But when there is no offer, this IOTransfer costs a whooping $179 for 3 licenses. If we reduce that to a single license, it still costs about $59, which is very high compared to iTools, which cost about $30, and Sync iOS, which cost about $49. But all these applications got unique feature. But if you're a simple person, if you are a person who loves simplicity, this IOTransfer is going to be made, and you can just pay $59 or less. There will be always offer. I guess I will, don't know, but go for it when there is offer. And finally, for whom this IOTransfer is developed. If you are a person who likes simplicity, this IOTransfer is your mate, because this IOTransfer got a simple user interface. And second kind of people is that who love to transfer files wirelessly, who don't like that bad quality lightning cable. And third is kind of people who love to download files from YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. and need that videos inside their iOS device, this IOTransfer is for you. And lastly, this IOTransfer is for people who hate the user interface of iTunes. It is an alternative for this iTunes. IOTransfer is the alternative for this iTunes. IOTransfer is the modified, simplified version of iTunes. Sorry to interrupt the outro, guys, because I forgot to conclude about the rank list. This IOTransfer is ranked at number 1 because most of the common iOS user is prone to simple and easy to use design, and this common iOS user don't need a file manager, cleaner, backup browser like that option, so they don't need that option. No, I'm not talking about the complex iOS user like who like to jailbreak, who like to dig deep into file browser like options. I'm not talking about them. I'm talking about simple common iOS user. For this iOS user, this IOTransfer is the number 1 option for this manager, iPhone manager. So that's why they are ranked at that position and they are capable of holding that position. So back to that outro. So that's all about this video, guys. If you think this video sucks, hit that button. If you think this video is awesome, hit the like button and stick with us so you might find something interesting.